On the interior of this ACURA TL, the glass is not that bad. It has a tiny dirty spot where the suction cup of a phone holder used to be, so that's an area that we'll need to clean thoroughly, but otherwise this is just a quick wipe along the entire front windshield. We're using our ISO alcohol first and then going back over with an O&R wipe. In this case, I'm not going to spray the ISO alcohol directly onto the glass. In the interior of a car, there's too much rubber and plastics around that might get overspray on them. If you let the ISO alcohol sit on some of these different materials, there's a chance it could discolor it or eat away at the rubbers. Usually it only happens on cheaper plastics, but it's better safe than sorry, and even if you wipe down after trying to get the overspray, it's really easy to miss a spot. The mist can go anywhere in the interior, so to avoid that, spray it directly in your microfiber, do your pass, and then flip to a new side on your towel or get a separate towel and go over it with O&R. Rinse away the ISO, get the edges where the trim and the rubber meets the glass, and then you can go on to your drying stage. As you can see here, I did all those steps on the first half of the driver's side, and then I went around and then I did the passenger side. ISO, O&R, and then a dry wipe. I have a white cotton fiber cloth that I use to dry. Originally, I wasn't able to get much shots of water running down the glass, so it's kind of hard to see how that oily residue was really obscuring things in the beginning, but there's obviously a difference after this quick glass clean. Visibility is a key factor when you're driving, so you have to keep it clean. At least once a month, try and go through and use a glass cleaner on both the inside and the outside. As we do a quick walk around outside, comparing it to our before video, there is a distinct difference, and I'm very sure that my customer is going to be happy. Now that all the oily residue is gone, they will have clear vision and they won't be scared for their safety. This has been Baseline Fresh. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite type of content is, and I'll try to make more in the future. Thank you.